And this is match. It's match number 18 for Amazulu, while Sundowns are still playing catch-up. They played their 16th match of the season. So Solidity, which I think is successfully done. It's up front where the solutions are required.
It is indeed. I mean, we've spoken about that this season. I think that's the...
With Esquivel. Now, Rivero trying to get around Anamova. And that's going to be a corner. Required to be at his best, and they'll need his experience. Deep one here. Danger not cleared here. Matches of the first round. The DSTV Premiership is going out. It's a nice ball over the top. That was a little shot.
You have Sereno, you have Esquivel that is more mobile, so it's they have to communicate.
6 and draw 9. It's just some excellent work. Now the cut. The referee body came in for some special treatment against his former club, Orlando Pirates. And maybe the bigger prize, Champions League, is what he'll be in for. Yes, Rivero looks out. And that took a bit of, well, that could have out on the ball. Maybe an international, which is also was at the next ball. Yeah, could be a chance. Still alive.
Apart. Yes.
To the ball.
Oh!
And snapshot. Protection from the likes of Raman Patel and there now. They'll be able to commit.
That 30 minutes finding those passes as well, but it's very, very clever little play there from Rivero. Just to get in front of Phillies.
Esquivel whips it into the near post there. Hanamu tidies up. Now, this is a dangerous looking. The little cut inside. Just played in between. Sundowns players. You see what the idea was there from
back. You can see they're trying to play Mabuya, but great recovery from there, but also with a little bit of space and time, very nearly on the.
Bueno, one of the sharpest football brains around. There's a chance here to fire one in from now back line. Oh, what a chance that was! Hanumba to take the closer the ball is wonderful. Oh, I see they've stolen a few inches. Hanumba has stolen a few inches now. The sun. Oh, well there.
I know. Too much.
They took that.
Working Hanumba. We know he enjoys playing on that line, working very hard for the team.
Listen, he had a very good game, and he's cleared by Pasele. Keegan Buchanan never ended up leaving the club. It was all with a phone of course, the resources that are just one half of it. And that's a great one from Zulu. Under the line of the goal. Chance to fire one. Well, they've opened up and invited Mabuya to have a go. That has reached 35 points at the halfway mark. Has failed to win the league. This season. That I'm sure one still hurts the Chiefs fans as we approach half time there. They're tempted to Mamelodi Sundowns at this goal lecture.
Against the young?
Yep. Deal with It's been coming. It's going to be
coming. We spoke about those chances that Mamelodi Sundowns are trying to create. Sereno, they taking that shot, outside the box. We spoke about them trying to improve, forcing Zimela to make those saves, and yet again, I think a good reaction there from Ribeiro. But I think with Zimela as well, with the ball just coming across, it's very, very difficult for him to make that. They've conceded first this season. One of those matches. Don't know that there's anybody who's catching Sundowns. I don't see 7 in a row. It is total domination. That's going to be Costa! Looking at Amazulu finds that this is great running here from your step at wrong option. That your style of play actually suits that team very well, because he likes being played as a wing back, and my boy is cut back. Magnificent stuff from They double their lead. The Mamelodi Sundowns. But he said, through this one. We've seen this type of passes in the first half where they just go through the midfield. Once the midfield has been closed, it goes out wide. And it's such a great pass and a great run from Lebu Mabue. Bringing it back. Such a control from Ribeiro. I was about to say the touch, and look at the number of players that are around him as well. Unbeaten run to 40 games. Honestly, the superlatives run out to describe what Sundowns are doing here. And the header there over the top. Lenga and Dion. Let's see what they can do from the set piece there. One folded towards the back post there. Team. Now Sundowns are working their magic here now. That's just too much. Amazulu is used to the near post. That's Sereno. Things are not cleared yet. Here is Tipi Mazembe at the FNB Stadium for the weekend. That's a nice Mulenga. Costa. Transfer. It's been one of the few shining spots. That's beautiful work there from Batra, playing in Yosta. Great vision there from It's the fear of losing. You're so desperate to avoid just quickly here. Now, misjudged that one. Because he started life as a left back. It's in here. As I would say, impress in. And you know how deadly Mamelodi Sundowns is. They're playing those balls in between. Look at the one-touch football, but they know exactly what to do. We spoke about it in the past, that backline, the two center pair. No protected at all. Look at the well, he's done that all night actually. To pick out those passes. He's been brilliant. He's made passes. I got you. It's a hat trick. And a magnificent one as well. Mistake. Brutally punished. It's been Lucas Ribeiro show here. And Amazulu have no answers. Yeah. Going very. He's found it hard going. Oh, pressure. Oh, the press from Sundowns. Could be trouble. Yeah. Zimela, that plays. so stable in that midfield and brings so much calmness that at times they need. And I'm sure Coach Rolando Mugwena is happy with today's performance because the last time the team played here wasn't pleased at all.
Oh, collision there between them. In the cup as well. Bigger part there was cup king. Now here's a chance here to add.
Oh!
A nice feat here. Oh, facing his own goal. That could have ended up facing his own goal. There was some nice stuff from India today.
And nice stuff here from Coach. You slowly see wanting to come in and play where there's less pressure, to come back and again, acclimatize to the new environment, to the new team as well. The style of play
Is where Sundowns will turn their attention to next one. As for this one, drop done. It's been a performance. They had to find their time to competition. They had to be patient.